Today I'm going to fix some barbecued sausage. I'm using the Hillshire Farm smoked sausage, and we're going to barbecue them. So first, let me get it open. It's not wanting to open for me. There we go. Now then. Now we're going to take it and I'm going to cut it up in pieces. Then I'm going to split it. And these are going to come out so tender. Now, I don't like to do dishes if I don't have to. Now we're going to put these in here. I think I'll cut this one more time. Put that in there. Now, my barbecue sauce. I forgot it. We like using the Sweet Baby Ray's. This is hickory and brown sugar. And we use different kinds of it, but we usually use the Baby Ray's. Now we're going to put our barbecue sauce on there. And this is going to be a quick, easy, not much cleanup. Now, aluminum foil. Now this is what it looks like, and we're going to cover it up with aluminum foil. And this is usually a dinner for two, possibly three. We're going to place that in the oven. Now, we're going to take our pan here. By the way, all these have been washed. And I'm going to take my potatoes. Now, I had put these potatoes in the fridge in a bowl of water, let it sit for about an hour to get some of the starches out of the potatoes. Then I'm going to take my corn. Okay. Then we'll take a little bit of water. I'm going to put some water in the bottom of this. And I'm going to put some butter in it. Let me get the butter. And I'm using unsalted butter. All right. Now, one other thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take another piece of aluminum foil. I'm going to put it in small bowls, just like that. And I'm going to put my beans in it. It's a little high there. That's okay. Then I'm going to take it, put it right in the middle. Okay, now I'm actually going to put a little barbecue sauce on my beans. And this is what it looks like. So you got your potatoes, you got your corn, your beans, your meat, and we're going to put butter on the potatoes and the corn, and barbecue sauce on the beans. Then we're going to take a piece of aluminum foil, and we're going to wrap that up. The biggest reason for the water was to keep it from drying out and sticking on the bottom. And I really didn't want my beans mixed in with all the butter and water and all that stuff, so I put them in a separate little container. So we're going to put that in the oven. And in 45 minutes, we're going to check everything to see if it's done and see how it turned out. Okay, now that we're back, we've cooked it for 45 minutes. Now we're going to take it out of the oven. There's one, and there's the other. Turn the other off. Now, be careful when you open it because that steam comes out of there. It's really hot. Ooh, that looks so good. Now then. And there it is. Really does look good. Now we're going to take a plate. We're going to take some potatoes. Going to take some beans. And then we're going to take some sausage. And we're going to get some corn. That's not going to work. Here we go. Maybe a couple more potatoes. All right. Now, and this is how it turned out. That looks pretty good for a quick, easy meal with not much cleanup at all. Not much work at all. So thank you for watching, and I hope you'll be back.